Hello everybody, how are you doing? Are you enjoying the sunshine? It is lovely to get out, isn't it? But sometimes it's a little bit too hot that we need to come inside and just cool off because it can be bad to have too much sun. But do remember to put your sun cream on and rub it in everywhere. Don't miss anywhere, will you? Now, I know a really big animal who lives out in the sunshine. And because it lives out in the sunshine, it's covered in wrinkles. Do you know what it is? Shall I give you another clue? It's really big. It has big ears and its nose. Well, it's not called a nose. It's called a trunk. Do you know it now? What is it? Yeah, it's an elephant. So we all know that elephants have wrinkles, and I know that so many of you love this song. So I thought, as a little special treat, we would do Elephants Have Wrinkles. Are you ready? I'll put the music on. Remember, we're going to sit down to this, and we're going to point to different parts of our bodies. Okay. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their toes, no one knows why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their knees, on their toes, no one knows why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their hips, on their knees, on their toes, no one knows why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their ears, on their hips, on their knees, on their toes, no one knows why. Wrinkles everywhere. On their trunk, on their ears, on their hips, on their knees, on their toes. No one knows why. Elephants have wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their teeth. On their teeth? That's ridiculous. On their trunk. On their ears, on their hips, on their knees, on their toes. No one knows why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. Yeah. Oh, I do hope you love that. I'm going to choo-choo. Come and see you all. Did you enjoy that? It is a really good song, isn't it? So remember, don't get any wrinkles. Put on plenty of sun cream in all this sunshine and stay safe, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye. Mwah.